Hello kids, are you ready to learn something new? Okay, here is simple question and answer. How many days are there in a year? How many days are there in a year? Okay, on year equal 365 days. On year equal 365 days. Okay, now how many days are there in a leap year? How many days are there in a leap year? On leap year equal 366 days. On leap year equal 366 days. Okay, here is how many hours are there in a day? On day equal 24 hours. On day equal 24 hours. Okay, on day equal 24 hours. Here is minute. How many minutes are there in an hour? How many minutes are there in an hour? Okay, on hour equal 60 minutes. On hour equal 60 minutes. Okay, how many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? On week equals 7 days. On week equals 7 days. Okay, let's practice.